घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर तो आपने सुना ही होगा दैट वी टेंड टू टेक आवर मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल मेंबर्स ऑफ फैमिली फॉर ग्रांटेड. This is the first proverb which came to my mind when I read this para from this interview of Margaret Atwood. Now, the interviewer asks Margaret Atwood, where have you been treated better as a writer, would you say? And she talks about that she suffered more vicious attacks, more personal attacks in Canada because that's where she's from. Families have their most desperate fights among themselves, as we know. And जब आप ये पूरा interview पढ़ते हो, she talks about Canada and America so beautifully. There is a line from her interview verbatim. The United States is big and powerful. Canada is divided and threatened. Maybe I shouldn't have said illness. Maybe I should have said state of mind. And then she talks about Alice Munro, जिसकी यूएस में बुक का नाम है द बेगर मेड और कनाडा में उसकी बुक का नाम है हु डू यू थिंक यू आर. शी सेज द यूएस loves success, the American dream that anybody can be president of the United States. But with Canadians, it's much more likely to be, people might not like if you did that. There are a lot more snipers in the bushes. And of course, iska matlab ye nahi that whatever she has said, it's the truth. But it's very interesting to read what writers have to say about their work, about others' work when you put geography in picture. And slowly, as the interview progresses, from geography, she will start talking about gender bias. The interviewer asks, is it difficult for women to get published than men? And she immediately corrects him that you do know that there are more categories than that, right? What about other layers of oppression? Age, class, color, region, national origin, सब कुछ उतना ही रोल प्ले करते हैं जितना कि कोई अदर कैटेगरी करती है. सिर्फ एक कैटेगरी ऑफ जेंडर पे बेस करना उनका आंसर थोड़ा मुश्किल हो सकता है. And she says that female writers के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है because if she'll write a nice male characters, there will be so many men who will consider that male character as weak. And same जगह पे if a male character puts a man in the kitchen in his work, they will consider it as realism. So yeah, that's it. I love reading interviews of famous writers. आपको बहुत कुछ पता चलता है. एंड ये मेरी कॉपी है विमेन एट वर्क द पेरिस रिव्यू. मुझे ये गिफ्ट में मिली थी मेरे बर्थडे पे. एंड मैं पूछूंगी जिन्होंने दी है मुझे उन्होंने कहाँ से लेके दी है सो दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो बाय दिस कॉपी. या ऑल्सो हैप्पी न्यू ईयर एवरीवन. दिस ईयर meant so much to me. Thank you so much for engaging with my content, liking, commenting. It means so much to me. Happy New Year once again.